We will now proceed to Honorable Swart.
Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, the ACDP participates in this justice budget vote, not only mindful of the 30th anniversary of the Constitution, but also mindful of the seminal judgment delivered by the Constitutional Court last week. We as Christians are acutely aware that the doctrine of separation of powers finds its origin in Scripture. Isaiah 33 teaches us that the Lord is our judge, the Lord is our lawgiver, and the Lord is our king, and he will save us. It is then heartening when an independent judiciary holds the executive to account, and in this case, Parliament. In the Pala Pala matter, the ACDP joined a number of other political parties in calling for the panel's report to be referred to a parliamentary impeachment inquiry. This is now set to happen and illustrates that no one is above the law and that a parliamentary majority cannot be used to protect political interests. As far as the budget is concerned, the ACDP shares deep concerns expressed today about budgetary constraints, which impact on the delivery of justice. This affects not only the department, but also the NPA and various other entities, including the SIU, Public Protector, Human Rights Commission, and Legal Aid South Africa. Of particular concern is the NPA's budget constraints. Highly complex cases arising from the Zondo Commission and now the Matlanda Commission must be prosecuted, where skilled and experienced prosecutors and forensic auditors are required. This requires a sufficient budget. The SIU faces similar challenges and has to rely on client departments for much of its funding. This funding model must be reviewed. It is surely not good enough for us to wring our hands when the delivery of justice is at stake. This particularly given that we as parliamentarians approve the budget. The ACDP has consistently called on the Justice Committee to meet with the Appropriations Committee in terms of the Monetary Bills Act to discuss these budgetary issues. Thankfully, this meeting is now going to take place. Lastly, the ACDP is outraged about the murders of whistleblowers, going back to Babita Deokoran, Maurice van der Merwe, and now more recently, an acting municipal accountant, Martha Rantsofu. This is appalling, disgraceful, and must be condemned in the strongest possible terms. In this regard, the ACDP welcomes the Whistleblowers Protection Amendment Bill, trusting that it will enhance protection for whistleblowers. Given the high levels of corruption, this bill needs to be processed with the greatest of urgency, and we plead with the Minister in this regard. The ACDP, in conclusion, wishes to thank all staff members in the department, MPA and other entities who report to the committee for their commitment and dedication under very difficult financial conditions. I thank you.